Hello. Short instructions in case you have ordered also a dimmer for the ceiling lamp. So here we have two dimmers. One is for direct light and one is for ambient light. It is controlled with this remote and I will show you later how to control it. In this case you can also connect both dimmers to one cable, so you have only one wall switch and you switch on off with the remote. So one on and off on the upper side is for all, so you can see both lights are on, and then you can or turn it off or you can just turn off, let's say, ambient light, and this one is still working. And the second one I programmed for the direct light and it's off. Also you can just power on the direct light or also power on separately ambient light. And then the dimming, you just hold. So currently this is the maximum power. With off you hold and it will reduce the almost off, and also in the plus. Just a second. Okay, now it's on and you increase, and the same goes with the direct light. So you hold and it will reduce, and also in the other direction, of course. And when you switch it off and turn it on, it will stay on the same level of light, so it will remember your last settings. So let's say we reduce down and I turn off and then I turn on, it's the same level of light. So in case of any questions, please let me know. Dimmers are already programmed, so even when I will switch them now out of the electricity and you will install them, they will remember the settings. In case you will have any questions or issues, please let me know and I will gladly help you. Thank you. Bye.